guys, Captain Joseph here with Barrier Island Eco Tours. I wanted to take some time today to show you our 16-passenger Carolina Skiff. This is a boat that we use on a lot of our family fun day trips, just bigger crews, up to 16 people, but you can also hop on it with less people if you want some more space to sprawl out and just enjoy the capacity of the boat. A lot of these skiffs around here are used as workboats, and they are highly favored by oystermen, crabbers, commercial fishermen, the list goes on, and they truly are the perfect vessel for checking out these inshore waters and barrier islands. We have a beautiful bright winter day today, so I'm going to show you guys some of the fun stuff that we do on this boat. So we have a Minn Kota Riptide Tarova trolling motor on this beast, and this thing acts like an anchor, so you can be fishing so efficiently, staying perfectly in one spot, and it's quick, really efficient. We can get to a spot, drop the trolling motor, and we're fishing as soon as possible. The fishing is seasonal, not meaning there's seasons where you can't fish, but meaning we catch different species of fish and use different techniques during different seasons. So in the wintertime, we're doing a whole lot of redfish and sheep's head fishing. Those are very common inshore species. Also some speckled trout are around. And then as we get warmer, we can start branching out a little bit, still catching those same species of fish that I mentioned, but we get a better trout bite and we start seeing lots of sharks coming in, ladyfish. Really the list goes on and on. There's tons of different species in the warmer months. We also love pulling crab traps. It's a great way to see what wild critters are crawling around down there. Woo! Check that out. We got a couple little spider crabs in here. We'll get some more bait and get these guys released. Super cool. So this is pretty wild. I was just filming the intro, showing the boat off. Bald eagle just landed on this tree, posing perfectly. So I'm gonna get my camera set up. Let's go check them out. You know, spring, summer, fall, there are warmer months and definitely are more busy months. But in my opinion, if you're okay with throwing on some warm clothes, coming out here in the winter is one of my favorite times, just because you usually have all of these cool places to yourself and you just get better encounters with the wildlife out here. I'm gonna start off by just doing a really zoomed out shot of him just to show you guys that he's here. So you know I'm not lying to you. He's facing away from us, so doesn't seem too fazed by us being here. He's not worried. I'm on the floating dock right now, so it's bobbing a little bit. Sorry about that. We'll get on some stable ground. Oh, if he stays there, dude. He's on the same tree that I photographed in Osprey earlier. And it really had this cool backdrop. And I could get the foreground of the marsh in it. If he stays there and we don't scare him, but he got pretty spooked right when I kind of started walking up toward him. He's kind of in a cool spot right here. Just so far away. I wish I had a little bit of a better lens. Well, this lens is pretty good. Let's see what that does. I'm trying to stay low so it doesn't get scared.
we have the privilege of observing these dolphins on almost every tour. Keep in mind that I was not chasing them. They happened to swim up to me as I was drifting in the boat with the engines out of gear. Sorry about the shaky camera footage. The tripod doesn't work so well on the boat, so I was trying to hold the camera steady with my hands. All of the drone shots that you saw were filmed from high altitudes at high resolution and then zoomed in through the editing process. It is crucial to not disturb these guys from doing their typical dolphin business. 1, because it's illegal. 2, because these guys are the top predators out here, so they have a very important role in balancing the populations of so many different animals in this ecosystem. Book a trip with Barrier Island Eco Tours the next time you are in the Charleston, South Carolina area to see dolphins and many more animals for yourself. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the water soon.